This is completely immersive. This is insane. Insane here at Super Nintendo World. Epic Universe. Here with Steps Gaming, doing a real quick vlog video. Check it out. Oh wait, don't work. Don't work. It don't work. Oh my word. Oh my god, my ADD. Holy crap. Wow. Time to visit Donkey Kong Country. Donkey Kong! Can I throw this and get Diddy? Can I free Diddy? I wonder if I could get into the park services. Let's see. Let's see. No. Yes or no? You've heard of Hidden Mickeys at Disney World. Now we got a Hidden Pikmin.
Donkey Kong and his buddy Diddy Kong set off a while back to chase the Tiki Tack tribe out of the temple. But shut your beak, I'm getting there. Thing is, those two have been gone a long time, and I haven't seen hide nor hair of them. Probably got distracted by some shiny balloons or some nonsense. Why, if I were in my prime, I could run them Tiki Tacks out of here with my eyes tied behind my back. But I've got an important nap to take. Anyhow, you see what I'm getting at, don't you?
Wish I could grab onto that and swing my way to the front. See Dixie Kong over there. Just got off Donkey Kong Minecart Express. A lot of fun. Seems like you're jumping the track. Nice Donkey Kong animatronic, Dixie Kong, Diddy Kong, all that. Pretty awesome. Daisy's even up there. Bowser, Ganondorf, Zelda, Link, Yoshi. Oh my gosh, this is Nintendo overload. You could be one happy Nintendo family. We're on overload here in this Nintendo store. Oh my god. Just like, they have everything. Stars, Donkey Kong bottles, Donkey Kong backpacks, Donkey Kong country picture frames, man. Donkey Kong, is that a koozie? What is this? Yes, it's a koozie, Donkey Kong koozie. Diddy Kong. Got tons of it. Stuffed barrels. Pretty cool. Got Mario. Mario Kart merch. Boo! Huge. The Japanese shirts are over here. Got everything. Boo merch. Yoshi track jacket. Yoshi City. All the plushies you can imagine. Wow. These flags. 8-bit flags. Pretty cool. Here we go. Oh no. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Gotta get in the right spot. Is there one over here? Ha! Gonna have. See the toads in the kitchen making our food. It's Bowser! It's Bowser! It is Yoshi's story. Party games for friends. Oh, there's a Boo. Check out that airship on the mantle. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's Bowser's throne. Peach. Oh no. Gotta blow a bill. Thank you. Yoshi ride, it's fun. There it is over there, cute ride. Not too much to it though. Mario Kart. Donkey Kong, Nintendo Land, Mario, ate the dinner, did Nintendo Land, got all the points, did everything all day long, had a lot of fun. Look at this place. Crazy. It's like a nightmare of Nintendo, which is a good thing. Not a nightmare, that's a bad word for it. It's awesome. Absolutely love my day. Just come check it out, especially if you love Nintendo. Really worth it. Done Mario Kart 4 times today. Had won twice, my son won twice. Was a lot of fun. It's like Mario Kart in VR, which is crazy, man, crazy. And the Donkey Kong coaster, of course, fun time. Man, I don't know what else to say. My blood sugar's low. I need to get some Coke. Tune in next time to Theme Park Plunge Steps Gaming. Whatever I put this on. Have a wonderful day.